BBC television. We are interrupted broadcasting due to emergency information. We are not able to transmit this broadcast to BBC News due to some technical difficulties. We will give you some information. Please wait. Just a few moments ago, an unknown object was flying over the North Sea. This object was also seen flying over Ireland, France, England, Scotland, Wales, Estonia, Lithuania, and Latvia. Furthermore, there is also power failures, telephone communications disruptions, internet problems, and other more problems, which is causing right now. Royal Air Force are working solutions to this problem because most channels are currently being severely disrupted due to signals jamming because the object is speeding too fast. Whenever it's not known where the object is from, which country, or even which the pilot was. However, the BBC is extremely grateful for your support. There have also been numerous reports that the objects are also crashing into the other buildings and other more. This is BBC. The UK television headquarters is experiencing disruptions at the moment. The BBC is not able to deliver this news or programs due to BBC signals having severe disruptions. Channels under the BBC will also not able to broadcast. We will close, but we will deliver you news over the screen, which shows some text. England, Wales, and Northern Ireland will also not able to broadcast, but Scotland will deliver some news very perfectly without any disruptions. To receive news, please tune to BBC Scotland channels. Programs are now suspended. We will now display news. Furthermore, farewell. Hello and welcome to BBC News. Today we have some breaking news story to give you. The Big Ben was collapsed and was crashed by the object which was flying yesterday. The pilot was found and was taken to custody and was sued for £1.3 million for the damages which were caused by the Big Ben. The pilot was refused to pay, so he went to 30 years behind the bars. The government said that that they take damages very seriously, and the pilot was being caught. The pilot was responsible for the crash and all of that. The pilot didn't also have any remote license. The pilot again was taken to 3 years behind jail.